This is Rachel Pixel, and this is my Enhancement 6 video. Just noticing up here, it just says my account, and I will log in as a level 1 user. And here's my admin PHP page. It shows all the information for the user, which for this instance is test run. And now up here is changed to log out. I will validate the HTML of this page. And there are 0 errors. And just to test out the logout page, if I go to the home page, it still says logout page. And I will log out. And now I will go in as the admin. Okay, and they're here in the admin page and shows admin's information, and also it shows the product management page. And yet again, log out here. And here's the product management page. There's the logout still showing. Go to new category and the new product. Okay, and then just showing as an example, if I wanted for the extra edit, I wanted to go to products. I'm still logged in as the admin. I can go to there, but if I log out and I try to go to the product